Big game. It's going to be tough. It's going to be ding dong. But at 3-1 up, do you think it slipped from you 2 points, 3 points slipped from you when you were 3-1 up and not managing the game properly to secure all 3 points?
When you analyze the game was about 2 halves. We having the better play in the first half. And second half, we just never ever look the same as it relates to one player, got in hurt and have to be removed from the team, and other players added to the team did not lift up the team. Outside of that, too much errors in defense, and that is what eluded us today. Because I don't think the opposition is 5 goals better than us.
Once again, bro, coach, it seems as if another bad call let it down today because that penalty seemed that it was outside the box. What's your take on that decision?
Well, I have not seen it. I have to get a chance to look and see, what transpired there.
But how this affect you? You're looking to get back into the 7th spot to continue your run for a top 6. How much is damage your ambitions?
It's another E-Cup. There are a lot more games to play, and as you know, 3 consecutive games were pretty much tough games. So we will have to just pick it up and just move forward.
But what really happened in the second half, coach, that we couldn't get back into
the concentration level of the team went after that red card, and we failed to maintain our organization in defense, seeing that so many substitutions were made from the opposing team. And they will have to understand, whatever you have, it's your duty to ensure that you keep it. In which, we didn't do that.
So you're losing to your opponent, coach. Any hurt feel from this losing a big derby match in this fashion?
It is a big loss. But, we have a lot more games to play. We just have to just move forward and see what we need to do now to turn around this team.
And that, coach, a break comes because of the international matches. So this will help you to refocus the boys and get back some fitness and go again.
And not only that, it's a matter of working on their concentration level. Because this is the worst I've seen the defensive unit, play. And we just have to just take the time out and see how best we can make some reshuffling going forward.
Coach, to concede 4 goals in 1 half, knowing that you have one of the best defensive teams in the league. Talk us through that.
Yeah, you have to understand now. On any given day, them say 7 brothers in different minds. Is what you do on the day will result in how well you play defensively or offensively. And if you score 3 goals and that don't inspire or motivate you to ensure that you hold on, to ensure that you win the game, that is saying something. Defensively, we didn't do anything in the second half. It was basically all Arnett based on our errors that we continue.